Hi everybody, welcome to Phoenix Energy Bricks. Since my childhood I like Lego, and on this channel I want to share with you the collecting of Lego bricks and Lego sets. I have also an idea for an actual video game which is connected with this guy here, but more about this project at the end of the video. So today I want to share with you a Lego vehicle which I found very strange and creepy. So here he is. As you know, I bought from from eBay 10 kilogram Lego bricks without knowing the which sets I can build with them. And with the help of Bricklink, I tried first to build these sets. So this was the easiest one because mostly he was built up. Only few parts were missing, and it was easy to find out which he is. I do not know from my mind which he is, but the number of the set, but you will see it in the title or in the description box below. So this is an helicopter and very aggressive, and it's interesting that Lego does not make army militarized sets officially, but they made in the past fantasy sets which were had weapons, etc. And this is very interesting, I think. He has here missiles, three here, and or let's give an overall look of this vehicle. I think he came also with accessoires, but perhaps I make a second review about this accessoires. So here he is from side, front, other side. So the cockpit can open. Here is a minifigure which looks a little bit aggressive, and when you rotate this rotor parts here, he came upstairs, and when you pull this in the other direction, an interesting pullback motor. Here are turbines. These are cool, I think, when you use them for mocks. This landing gears can't rotate. And overall, an helicopter which is not it so it looks a little bit too aggressive. So it would be cool to build. I think you can build an interesting mock from this. Perhaps when you take this apart. And I think now he looks a little bit like a Black Hawk helicopter. And when you make here something upstairs, that this part here is closed, or it looks a little bit like a submarine vehicle when you take this apart. Like, it reminds me a little bit from the Shark Decons from Aquazone. This part here can also rotate. So that was it. And now the project which I talked at the beginning of the video. So this is the Phoenix Warrior. You saw the artwork of this figure at the beginning of the video, which was made by myself, and I made also this minifigure with customizing. So I had the idea to share this idea at every ending of the video which I make. So I thought, why not going to a video game developing company and say, so I want to inspire you to turn your ideas into reality, and it would be cool if this idea could grow with Lego bricks, this idea itself, and you, the viewers, together all this channel. So it would be cool to know your opinion about this project. So what do you think? It would be cool if you could write down your opinion in the comment section below. I made also a comic art concept for this warrior, which you will see now. And if you like, you can subscribe. And now the story of the Phoenix Warrior.